Hey guys, what's going on? I don't know about you, but one of my favorite ingredients is garlic. I put extra garlic. As you know, I'm a heavy seasoner. You guys have watched me over the years, putting extra pepper, putting more pepper, putting some more pepper. Well, this is getting it. We're putting a lot of garlic into this dish, okay? We're doing something that I haven't cooked in quite a while on the show. So why don't you come in close and I'll show you what we're going to garlic up today. You ready? Come on in. There it is. Right there. There it is, baby. That is 16 cloves of garlic. It is called, these are the pork chops. I don't even remember the last time. I think it was back in California when I cooked pork chops, okay? So we're doing honey garlic pork chops. Does that sound amazing? And I only eat the thicker ones that are an inch or more. I like them because they're more moist and they're more tender. And have you ever noticed the meat on a pork chop closer to the bone is kind of more tender? Have you guys ever noticed that? Well, anyways, we're going to get a chance to cook it up today. Let me go over the ingredients. Got some honey, garlic, parsley, pork chops, red pepper flakes, some water, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper. All right, guys, so first we're going to start with the honey garlic glaze, okay? So let's start with the kind of star of the show. It's going to be the honey. And we have a lot of pork chops. The recipe down below is just for 2 pork chops. But we have quadrupled this recipe, so you're going to see a lot of ingredients going in. Just follow the recipe down below. All right? And get your garlic in there. Here is your apple cider vinegar right here. That's going to really help you mix it up. A little bit of water. Everything's fitting perfectly in this bowl. Here is your red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. And some parsley. We're going to save some so that we can put some on top. There we go. And then we're going to mix this bowl up. So we're going to season the meat really quick. Make sure you season both sides. Don't be a weakling on the seasoning. I like a lot of pepper, so I don't care if it comes out fast. There we go. Okay, and then a little salt. We already got salt in the glaze, so I think I'm just salting probably one side today. There we go. Then flip over all your pork chops. And do your pepper thing all over again on this side. Remember, a lot of this pepper is going to fall off in the pan. All right, get your pan lit. Make sure you got a flame. Grab a little bit of oil. Drizzle in the pan. All right, grab yourself a seasoned pork chop. There you go. Get all 4 of them in here if you can. If you can't, do 2 at a time. I love this pot. This skillet. It's not really a pot, it's a skillet. Okay guys, as this is cooking, I want to remind you, 145 degrees minimum. Take your time, get a good crust on the outside of these things. Turn them over when you think they're ready. You can temperature stick them. 145. I think we've had enough time on this side. Let's take a look here. Yep, that looks good. Flip them over. They're smelling mighty tasty. Alright guys, here comes the hard part. You're going to take the last chop out, and then you're going to pour in the garlic honey mixture onto this hot pan. And you're going to whisk it as soon as you can. Is that about half? That's fine. It's going to get all bubbly. Keep whisking for about roughly 5 minutes until it gets all thick and glazy. Okay, you guys, see how nothing sticks to the pan? Look at that. I cannot express how great the rock pans are. Nothing is sticking to this. Not just because I'm stirring it again and again, but nothing ever sticks to it. All right, so grab your pork chops. Been about 5 minutes. Get them back in here. They're already to temperature, so we're just going to cook them a few minutes. Can you grab me a spoon?
Just flip them too.
All right, 1 second. Hold on. All right, guys, if there's any juice from the cooked pork chops, pour it back in. Make sure you get it all. That's beautiful. Okay, put it on low so you can work with it. And then gently grab a spoonful and just go ahead and baste. And baste. Just put it over all the pork. Just take a few minutes. By the time you're done basting, you're probably done cooking. Baste each pork chop with a little bit of juice. This better be worth it. It is a fairly simple recipe. Okay, grab your pork chops, lay them out. They look beautiful. Okay, go ahead and gently pour it over. Looks perfect. Look at that pan. Nothing's stuck to it. I can just rinse it out. I'll have a link down below, by the way, if you want the pans. Definitely worth it. You got to check them out. All right. Last thing we got to do, a little garnish. A little more garnish. Looks beautiful. All right, guys, are you ready? It's almost dinner time. So let's check this out. I'm going to drench it in its honey and garlic. Remember, it's honey, garlic, pork chops. Don't forget that. Recipe down below is for 2 pork chops. So multiply the recipe as you need, okay? Here we go. Oh. There's nobody around right now. This is so good. Amazing good. Totally better than I expected. Surprise. Right here. Make this. So good. Too awesome. All right, you guys. Get ready for the holidays. More surprises coming. We're going to be doing some coffee tasting videos. Be ready, all you coffee lovers. All right? If you have any ideas, email them to me. Always up for suggestions. Have I got honey on me? What about the pants? My wife wants me to tell you about the pans. She absolutely loves these pans. I said, honey, you want to do cast iron tonight? Or you want to do the cool pans, the rock pans? She's like, the rock pans. I'm like, because it's easy to clean, right? She's like, yep. So I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.